Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I welcome you to this channel. This is Last Journey Bistock. Alright, this is the screenshot from my SMG token wallet app. This is my screenshot from SMG wallet, and I got this 3,000 on Friday. That is the today is 15, then Friday should be 13. Okay, sorry, on Saturday should be 13th of November 2021. So this is what I got in my SMG wallet app. I made a withdrawal of $30 from my SMG, from my Solmax Igniter 200, and it eventually dropped in SMG token in my wallet, that is in my SMG wallet address. So I will be sharing with you how I got this. I'll be sharing with you how I made the withdrawal. So how I successfully withdraw my Solmax earnings. Check the best method. This is what I will be explaining to you step by step in today's video. So you just need to watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full information in order for you to know how to withdraw your Solmax Igniter 200 earnings. As we all know that Solmax is more of a long-term investment platform. This is how I usually explain it to you whenever I'm doing any video on Solmax. So you shouldn't expect a very quick ROI. You shouldn't expect quick remuneration, that is payment from Solmax. It is more of a long-term investment. So before you come into Solmax, you need to have this at the back of your mind, and before you are introducing it to people, that is, you are bringing in people to Solmax, you need to tell them the bitter truth about it. For instance, the issue of Igniter 100 is still on ground, and we are still expecting the latest update on how we are going to cash out our earnings, either through the loyalty or through the listing of this on the London Stock Exchange. That was promised. Okay, so we are still waiting for the update. We don't know how long that will take. So for that reason, you need to know that whenever you are coming into Solmax, you should have it at the back of your mind that you are coming in for long-term projects. All right. So now, but ever since the commencement of Igniter 200, we have been able to make earnings on daily basis. So your Igniter 200 package will give you double earnings. The first one is that you get your earnings in form of loyalty points, which will be converted later to SMG tokens, and the second part is that you earn 1% daily on your package that you have subscribed to. So let me take you to my dashboard to show you details of what I'm trying to say. So what I'm trying to say is that in Solmax, let's assume you go for the $25 package. Let's assume you go for the, okay, let me show you. These are the packages in Solmax. So you have 25, 50, 100 to $5,000. So any of these packages that you go for, you are going to get 1% daily. So you get 1% as your daily profit on them, and that 1% will come here. It will come to your cash account, and this cash account we have commission, loyalty, and staking. Commission is what you earn from your referral. Loyalty is what you earn daily, that is your earning, and out of that earning you still have some to stake. So you have some portion of your earnings that you are staking on daily basis. So as you can see in my loyalty, I have 13. This is withdrawable, but it's not up to the minimum withdrawal, and I also have staking, which is $1.86. So now I will be showing you the withdrawal request. Yes, the withdrawal that I made that earned me that $30 that I showed you from the screenshot of my SMG wallet app. Okay, so let me show you here to prove to you that truly Solmax is paying. Okay, so you can see that I initiated the withdrawal on the 4th of November, and it was completed last week. That is, after a week. It was completed on the 12th of November 2021. So it took a week for it to be initiated. That is just like 5 working days. 5 working days. Sunday and Saturday are not included. So this is what I got in my SMG wallet app. I withdrew $30 and it was converted to 3,000 tokens. That is, it was converted at the rate of $0.01 per token. So you can see that this is what I have in my wallet address now. So for you now to withdraw your Solmax Igniter 200 earnings, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to download this app, this SMG wallet app. Just go to Google Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. Download SMG wallet app. So after you have downloaded it, you run through the registration processes and then you copy your wallet address, your SMG wallet address. You copy it and then you bring it down to Solmax here. So in your Solmax account, you go to profile. So when you are in profile, then you click on payment. When you click on payment, then you click on crypto wallet. So you click here to edit. So when you have clicked here, then you are going to input the smg.to address that you have copied from your SMG wallet and you are going to input it and you will need to save. So as we all know that SMG, they are promising us different means whereby we can withdraw our earnings, and this is also Perfect Money USD wallet, but all this they have not been enabled yet. So we just need to wait till the new back office that is promised to go live on December 1st 2021. So to withdraw in Solmax is very, very easy, and you can see. So let me try to initiate another withdrawal, though it won't be successful because I have just $13 US in my account and it's not up to the minimum withdrawal, which is 25. So you can say that for now the only means whereby you can withdraw from your earnings is through the crypto wallet. And then you select the option, and in the option it is only smg.to. It is only SMG token wallet that you can withdraw your earnings through. Okay, you can see, and then you are going to input the amount that you want to withdraw. The minimum is 25. The minimum is 25. If I should start this, it can't go because the minimum is 25 and the weekly withdrawal limit is $50. So that is how to go about it. You can withdraw your earnings in Solmax Igniter 200. In this method, you submit and you input your transaction password. You input your transaction password, but it won't be successful because I don't have up to the minimum withdrawal. Right now I only have $13 here. So that is how to go about it. So you can withdraw your earnings in Solmax I200 dashboard. So that is how to go about it. So, and if you are still contemplating about joining Solmax, I would like to tell you the bitter truth is that you are just wasting much of your time, and there is potential in this SMG token to give you wealth in a very short period of time. Right now, SMG token from Solmax Group itself is 0.01, but on the exchange side, it is sold around 0.0065, 0.007. So, but nevertheless, whenever you are coming into Solmax Igniter 200 package, you will be given a particular number of loyalty account. As you can see here, my packages is 26,250, and this one will be converted to SMG token for me at the ratio of 1:1. Now let's assume in the next 3 or 5 months, SMG token rose from 0.01 that it is right now to like $1. So that means I will be having all these equivalent to US dollar here. So, and that is the power of cryptocurrency. It is very, very volatile. It can give you what you never expect to have in a short period of time, and also it can reduce in value, but that doesn't guarantee you shouldn't give it a try. Okay, so that is how it goes. So you just need to join Solmax and earn online also as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop today. Don't forget, it's very important to subscribe to this channel. This is Johnny Biz Talk. Click on the notification bell, and also you can message me through WhatsApp, through email, and call me on phone, and also join our Telegram channel for more information. Alright, in the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now.